Father's Day is right around the corner, and if you're shopping for a boater or angler, I've got 12 great gift ideas for you. These aren't supplies or boat necessities. They're gifts that boaters actually enjoy receiving, but might not buy for themselves. Hi everyone, Jerry with BoaterInput. Whether you're shopping for your dad, husband, grandfather, or some other boating enthusiast, I've put together a list of gift ideas across a range of prices. So let's get started. First up is an inflatable life jacket. Now, most boaters already have life jackets on board, but inflatable models like this are much more comfortable to wear, especially during summertime. Now, I wear mine all day long when I'm out fishing, even down here in the Texas heat. It's one of those upgrades that boaters all appreciate, but don't often purchase for themselves. Number two, help dad look and feel cool by getting him some performance apparel. My wife has purchased me a bunch of these hooked shirts and shorts over the years, and I just love them. Other popular brands include AFCO and Pelagic, but the thing to look for is cooling fabrics and UV protection. Number three on the list is a good pair of polarized sunglasses. When you're on the water, you're exposed to a lot of glare that causes eye strain and reduces visibility. And the best way to cut down that is with a good pair of polarized sunglasses. Now, how can you tell if your sunglasses are polarized? Well, it's quite simple. You just take your sunglasses, hold them up to a bright computer screen, turn them vertically or 90 degrees, and you should see the lenses go from light to dark if they are in fact polarized. Gray or amber lenses are good choices for inshore or freshwater boaters, whereas blue lenses are very good for very bright conditions, such as with offshore boaters. Popular brands include Costa, Maui Jims, and Wiley X, which is the brand that I'm wearing. Now, if you have shopped for a quality pair of sunglasses, you know that they are not cheap. So another good idea for dad is to get him a pair of some sunglass holders like this so that they don't fall in the lake. These holders from Faventy are the best that I have found. It has this larger gripping surface right here, so they don't slip off like most of the other ones that I've used. And if they fall in the water, this strap will simply keep them afloat. Fishing lures are very expensive nowadays, and there's nothing worse than snagging your favorite bait or one that's been working for you. So this inexpensive little device will rescue your bait about 80% or so of the time. And I just put it on this old rod and reel just to make it a little bit easier to manage the cord. To me, this is a must-have for all serious anglers. And speaking of serious anglers, it's hard to buy baits for your dad or spouse unless you know exactly what he likes and needs. That is where gift cards make a lot of sense. For freshwater anglers, consider Bass Pro Shops or Discount Tackle or even Tackle Warehouse if he's into bass fishing. For saltwater, Tackle Direct is a good choice. And if he's into skiing, wake surfing, or other water sports, check out Overton's or Bart's. On a warm summer day, we love just jumping in the water, cooling off, and having a nice cold beverage. Help dad chill out this summer with one or more of these saddle floats. 2026 marks the 250th birthday for our great country, and what better way to show your pride than by flying an American flag on your boat. Now, whether you have a pontoon, bow rider, fishing boat, or saltwater center console, there are several mounting options available that don't necessarily require drilling holes into your boat, making installation quick and easy. My wife bought me this portable little flashlight several years ago, and I use it every week since I typically hit the water well before sunrise to go fishing. Now, this flashlight has several different modes, but what really sets this apart from others in its class is that it's rechargeable and has this very handy lantern mode that I have not found on similar mini flashlights. This is a great feature for tying lines or unhooking fish in the dark, or working under the hood or in the bilge compartment of your boat. It's also magnetic, so it'll allow you to work hands-free as well. Probably my favorite gift idea is a good pair of marine binoculars. One of the things I love about boating is a chance to sightsee and explore nature, and a good way to see things up close and personal is with a quality pair of marine binoculars. Now, the ones that I have are pretty old, but a great pair to consider are these marine binoculars from Steiner. They are 7 by 50 meaning that they give you 7x magnification and has a 50mm lens. Now that 7x is important because it provides good magnification, yet still stable, which is key when you're on a moving or rocking boat. This, if you were to go like with a 10x, things might be a little bit jittery. This pair is also waterproof and shockproof as well. You know, a lot of boaters like to pull a tube like this on occasion, but they're big and bulky and always getting in the way when they're not in use. And that's why I love this next gift idea, which is a portable rechargeable inflator. With this, you could just keep your tube folded up and tucked away in your boat, and then quickly pull it out, blow it up, or deflate it when you're done with it. Now, my final gift idea might sound a little strange at first, and that is to give Dad supplies to clean his boat. Now, this could include, you know, boat wash and wax for the exterior, or vinyl cleaner and protectant for the interior. Or if you're really ambitious, you can give him all these things. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is like giving Dad a vacuum cleaner for Father's Day. But here's the catch. This gift should come with a coupon for a free boat cleaning. And to make this easy for you, I've created one that you can download for free. This makes it a great gift for teenagers who enjoy using the boat, but don't necessarily have a lot of money to spend on gifts. Now, hopefully this list gave you a few good ideas for the boater or angler in your life. And I've put links to each of the items in the video description. But now I want to hear from you. Which gift idea was your favorite, and what other gifts should be added to the list? Drop a comment to let me and other boaters know. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and click on the like button. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel for my weekly tips and insights for boaters. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the water.